Hi, I am Yana technician. Now let us introduce the use of our safety laser scanner. Firstly, after receiving the laser scanner, please check the configuration. One laser scanner with cable, a USB data cable and instruction manual. One software and one driver, please download from the salesperson or the website on the card. Second, determine whether your laser scanner is MPN or N. Please see the side of the laser scanner. MPN is 05DN, MP is 05DP. The origin of the distance measurement is in the middle of the top of the front black background. The laser scanner has a total of 14 terminal pins, 2 positive and negative poles, input 1 to 5 at the input. The output terminal port is 1 to 4 and the common terminal COM is 1. The common terminal of MPN is connected to the negative pole, and the common terminal of N is connected to the positive pole. Before starting the wiring, please check the manual and familiarize yourself with the use of the cable. The laser scanner can be set to detect 3 areas, respectively UPET 1, UPET 2, UPET 3. We can set the detected graphics on the computer. Okay, now let's set up the detection pattern. First, prepare a computer. The system is Win 711, and Win 11 is a separate driver, CPU, Intel i5 dual-core 2, 7G and above. Before installing, exit the antivirus software. When installing the software, keep going to the next step. If an error occurs, please close the error and continue the installation. After finishing the software, please look for this icon on the desktop. If you don't find it, please look for Iris designer in the lower left corner of the computer, then open. Before connecting the laser scanner to the computer, power on the laser scanner and connect the positive and negative poles. Available in wide voltage DC from 9V to 28V. I am connected to 24V. Refresh the green rotating arrow in the upper left corner of the software and then click Connect after waiting for success. The default area group of the laser scanner is the 16 group. You can check the area group numbers at the bottom of the monitoring interface. If you need other areas, you can access input in the software according to the input and area group selection in the manual. 1 is floating and 0 is grounding or 0V. Then click the area on the left side of the software. Now, we first use the 16th group of the area to set. We click on the 16th group of areas and start to set the graphics of Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. For example, when we want to set Area 1, we click Alt 1. Then start to edit the graph. The blue dot on the graph can move freely in the detection area. If you want to set it as a polygon, click the icon of the polygon, then move the blue dot. Facing the center of the graph, press and hold the left button of the mouse and move it outwards to pull out an edge. AGV vehicles usually use all 3 areas when avoiding obstacles. For example, set to warning, slow down, stop. If it is area detection, only one area needs to be used, and then the other areas can be deleted. Now let's use the detection of the first area. We set up the area to be detected later. Then click the settings icon in the upper left corner, then set the position that appears on the right to normally open. Then click download on the left, download our settings to the laser scanner and return to the monitoring interface. We can start testing. Intrusion detection area, the light is on. It should be noted that output will have a voltage change only when the output circuit is turned on, so you need to connect the resistance detection output. Specific can be viewed according to the circuit diagram. Dependency change is based on the previous figure, the same proportion change. For example, area 3 is a fan shape. Click area 2, and then click the graph that depends on the change. A line will appear at the origin. Move the mouse to this line, an up and down arrow will appear. Hold down the arrow and move up. The area can be changed in the same proportion. This is the end of the laser scanner training. If you encounter confusion in actual operation, please contact our sales staff. Thank you. Have a good day.